So I wanted to do a quick update just to kind of show where we're at, what's going on, what the time frames are of what I'm waiting on. I got the original fuel tank from the powder coat back today. We got it cleaned up. I could have put a new fuel tank in here, but I'm trying to keep most of it original, what I can. This tank cleaned up pretty nice. Got a little bit dense in the top, but it's good enough. I'm actually going to put a sending unit in for the new instrument cluster we'll be putting in the truck, but that'll be in the future. One of the things I got done today is I got the pins put in the leaf springs. Got the bolts, the lock bolts in there. Got the caps cleaned up. Pretty much have everything in the back ready to set on the axles. And we should be getting the axles back tomorrow evening. And I should be getting the spring mounts. I'm missing 2 of these plates. I'll get these tomorrow, hopefully, and get those powder coated before the weekend. If I get that done this weekend, hopefully I can get the truck sitting on the axles and have everything pretty much complete as far as that goes. The engine, I'm still working on sealing stuff up, plugging everything, removing the fuel lines. I want to get the engine cleaned up. As soon as I get this done, I actually want to set the engine in the frame and want to flush the coolant system, want to start it up, get it running. We have diesel, we have batteries, we have fuel, have the oil filter and all that ready to go. So making some progress on that. I'd like to get the engine in there, get the coolant flushed out of it, and then go ahead and mount the aluminum radiator. I'll put some electric fans on it, stuff like that. Like I said, so hopefully this weekend we get the axles. I can get it sitting on the axles. That'll be a good thing to get done. And then the air tank, got that mounted also. One with a 5-gallon aluminum seamless tank, which should be plenty for what we're gonna do with it for the air brakes and the throttle. And I guess that's about it. Just wanted to get something uploaded today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.